Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the Ruud van Nistelrooy. How to get Ruud van Nistelrooy Centurions icon player in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game. Still confused how you can change the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get a ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap this Centurions event and tap the main chapter first. Make sure you choose Van Nistelrooy over Zico or etc. and tap this map parallel world. So all you have to do to get Van Nistelrooy is purchase this gem 5 times. So 1 gems is equal 100 speed threads or passing threads or shooting threads, depend on what you need and what you want to spend your threads. For example, if you want a striker version, you can use this one, a shooting threats point. But if you are center forward, you can use passing threads, and in this case I need right winger, so I spend my thread points into the speed one. So you have to claim this 100 points first to exchange or to use this speed trade points. After that, you can claim Ruud van Nistelrooy by 5 time purchases. So good luck. Hey, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the game.